Hello everyone. Thank you for watching Banking 101. So this is the computer awareness strategy that I'm sharing with you guys. So now in front of us there are two exams in which computer awareness is there. So first is the UIIC which is on December 21st, and the second is the NICL assistant mains, which is if I qualify that. So there also computer is there, and in both the exams the computer is of 40 marks. So it has a lot of importance, guys, because 40 marks is a lot. Anyway, so for this exam I think we have about 2 weeks, and for this we have about 3 weeks, so which is not a lot of time. But anyway, so let's start with the strategy. So first of all, you need to decide that which source you will use, that whether you will do computer from PDF or whether you will do from video. So see, a lot of PDFs are available freely, okay, readily in the Telegram only you will find. You will not need to pay any money. But the thing is that I have previously done from PDFs, and I have seen that this PDF thing has a more theoretical approach. Okay, so that is, see, every information will be there in a PDF, but when you will sit in the exam, you will have to think. You will have to use your brain and think that, okay, what can be the answer of this question, whereas in the video format it is already given in MCQ format. So this, I feel, is a more practical way to go. See, if you had like 2 to 3 months, then you could have gone with the theoretical approach, elaborately reading each and every detail and doing computer. But now, since we have only 2 to 3 weeks, then I think this will be more practical. But again, whatever suits you, you can do whatever you feel comfortable with. And so for video, what we'll do? So just go on YouTube and search Aurora Educator, and you will see that he has a plethora of computer videos made. He has a lot of marathons before every RRB exams, and each and every topic he has covered with a whole lot of MCQ. So you will find a lot of content in this video source. Anyway, so now let's talk about the important topics. So these are the topics which I think that are the most often asked in exams in which computer is there. So the most important is MS Office. Okay, in every exam, without fail, they will ask 1 or 2 questions of MS Office. And in MS Office there's MS Word, there's MS PPT presentation, and there's Microsoft Excel, right? In amongst these three things, this MS Word is the most important. See, that way all the three is important, but I'm just saying that in case you don't have time, you just have to choose which is the most important, then this is the most important. They ask MS Word questions for sure. Okay, and I've seen, what do they ask? Mostly they ask that what is the color of the underline for a spelling mistake. Is it green? Is it red? Then what is the color for a grammatical mistake? Okay, is the line straight or is the line crinkly, like that? So these are a few questions, and many other questions are there that they ask. They ask shortcut keys that are used in MS Word, in MS PPT, to close a window, to open a new window, like that, which brings me to the next important topic, which is shortcut keys. Okay, so this is also a very important topic and very easy topic, which you can learn by reading just 1 or 2 times. Okay, so this, I think you can prefer a PDF, that shortcut keys you just search on Telegram, you will find. Okay, and just read it 1 to 2 times, you will remember. So like, see, Control plus C, Control plus P, you know this, right? Copy paste. Then we have Control plus Z is undo. So one or other shortcut comes like that in exam. Okay, then the third important is history of computers or fundamentals of computers. So this also I have seen that in every exam they will ask. Usually in history they ask generation of computers. Okay, so like this they ask. So there's first generation, then there's second generation, third generation, like that is there, no? So either they will ask examples of computers from first generation, or they will ask the most basic thing, that is what did the first generation computers use? Vacuum tubes. Then the second generation used transistors. So like that they ask, and literally the information that I'm telling you right now, these vacuum tubes and transistors thing, this is written in the first page of the history of computers chapter. So this is very basic. The moment you will see a video about this history of computers, you will remember it. You will not have any problem remembering it. Anyway, moving to the next one. So next is internet. So here they usually ask about web browsers of different countries like Russia, China. The web browser, I think, of China they had asked in one exam. Then they ask about search engines, different social media like Meta, Twitter, Instagram. This one they ask. So this is also easy only. Then there is one computer networks. Yes, this also they ask a lot, and this is very easy. Once you see a video, you will totally understand what these network topologies are. So there's ring topology, there's bus topology, there's mesh topology, some other various kinds of topologies are there. So this is very easy to remember. Like a simple diagram will be there, and you will be able to understand. Okay, bus is like parallel, then ring is like that. So it is like the shapes are synonymous with the names that they have only. So it is easy to understand. So from here topologies they ask one or other question. Then the OSI model, the layers of OSI model, the different layers are there. From there they might ask a question. Okay, then the next topic is computer memory. Yes, so this is also important. Especially they ask the most basic question, which is RAM and ROM. Okay, which memory is volatile, which is non-volatile. So like that they ask. Then there's cache memories there, they also ask about that. So now this is another see, computer memory is important chapter. Okay, so after this MS Office, I would say computer memory is important, shortcut keys is important. See, these all are important, I'm just telling you the most important ones. Then next is cyber security. Yes, so they will definitely ask one from here, that is the different viruses which attacks our computer and makes them stop working. Then the antivirus which we put in our computers, a lot of times we don't even know the names of the antivirus which we have in our own PC itself. Anyway, so they ask about that. Then different kinds of scams which goes on in the cybersecurity world. The hackers do hacking and phishing and scamming, all of that. So all of that you will find easily. Just see, what you do is suppose you write go to YouTube. Okay, go to YouTube and you search just write cybersecurity Aurora Educator. See, I'm not doing any promotion here. Okay, so this is the most easy way to do it from a video source. That's why I'm telling you guys. Okay, so this is just for the sake of information. So just search this cybersecurity Aurora Educator. You will find at least, I think, 10 videos you will find. Okay, where he has explained what the antiviruses are, what viruses are, different kinds of scams, and the most a good thing is that he has done it in MCQ format. Okay, so already you are being fed by the MCQ format only. So in exam you won't have to use your brain extra and try to remember that what will be the answer. Anyway, and the last one is the input output devices. And yes, so this is also important. And the most basic question which I have seen them ask is they ask about printers. Yes, so this I have seen, this is the most common. They ask about which is a non-impact printer or which is an impact printer, daisy wheel printers. So they ask like that. And they ask about input devices also, that which one of them is not an input device, like mouse and keyboard, like that they ask. So this is very, very basic. This is, I feel this is the most easy one out of all this is the easiest one. In fact, the history is also the easiest one, with these generations of computers. So I think that will be it. If you do this much, I'm sure you will be able to reach full marks only. And if there are some out of the box questions, then maybe at least we are aiming to score out of 40, at least 20 to 25 we should be able to, at least I am hoping. So this is what I am going to do, guys. So you can share your inputs also. If you have any queries, please don't hesitate to comment. And that's all. Thank you.